Hello dear students, welcome to Awareness Skill Book. Page number 70, seasons I am going to teach you in the next video. Today we will learn living and non-living things. Page number 71. Living, living and non, non, living, living things, things, things. Now children, tell me, this pen, can this pen walk? Can this pen walk? No. Can this pen laugh? Can this pen talk? No, it cannot talk. So it is not a living thing. Now here you can see human beings, that is us. We all are human beings. We are talking, we are eating, we are dancing, we are playing, we are studying, we are running, we are writing. No, we do some actions. Okay, we do some action and we move from one place to other. We grow. Yes, we become big. No, day by day we are growing. So these are living things. So the first living thing is human being. Okay, the first living thing is human being. Now here you can see animals. Yes, animals also grow. They are small first, then they grow. No, like us, they grow, they become big. Yes or no, children? And they move from one place to another. They eat. No, they run. They go from here and there. No, children? So these are also living things. Okay. Next one is plants and trees. Yes, plants and trees are also living things. Now you can see, children, when we we do some plantation in the garden, what happens? Day by day we can see them growing. Yes or no? Like small children, we can see them also growing to the bigger trees. No, small trees become big trees. So plants and trees are also living trees. Living things. So animals, human beings, plants and trees. Next one is fish. Yes, fish also is a living thing. No, children? They are swimming in the water. No? We can see them swimming in the water. No? So they also eat. They also swim. So they are also living things. Now here is this birds. Yes, birds are also living things. They move from one place to other. They fly from one tree to other tree. Yes or no, children? So there are so many things like animals, plants and trees, human being, that is us, fish and birds. You can see, when you go out, you can see some ants. They are also living things. No, they also move from one place to other. They are also living things. Now let us move to the next page. Non-living things. Okay, some non-living things. Yes, you can see your pan. Does the pan run? Does it talk? Does it become big? No. So pan is not a living thing. Books, yes, books also is not a living thing. It is non-living thing. See here, bag. This is also non-living thing. Trumpet, non-living thing. Car, non-living thing. It doesn't grow, no? Car, from small it becomes big? No. Ball, non-living thing. Mat, no, non-living thing. Mug also, non-living thing. Shoes, non-living thing. Kite, radio, pot. These all are non-living things, children. So what are living things? Let us see here in the next page. 73 page number. You can see here. Tick the living things and cross out the non-living things. Now here you can see the living things. Which are the living things, children? Human beings. Yes, we have to tick this. Ship. No, it is not a living thing, non-living thing. So we have to cross. Bag. non-living thing. Bird, living thing. Deer, living thing. Bed, does it talk? Bed talks? No, it doesn't talk, no? It doesn't run, no children? So it is not a living thing. So non-living thing. Tree, yes, tree is a living thing. From a small plant, it grows to a big tree. Yes or no, children? But it doesn't talk with us. The tree doesn't talk with us, but it has life in it. No, children? When we water the plant, it becomes from small, it grows up to a big tree. So these are living things. So, children, these are all living and non-living things. Children, hope you understood this. So, see this properly and see the video and learn it. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.